This is the ThruNite TW10. It's the first ThruNite gun light. I'm going to give you a look at it while the light's still out. I'll give you the specs. They'll be going across the screen during the whole video. There'll be a link to it in the details down below. And we're going to put it on with this gun. We're going to fire it. As soon as it gets dark, we're going to show you the ranges and its capabilities. Okay, it's rechargeable, USB in the back. It's got the USB charge there. And on the bottom, it's got spring loaded, so it's adjustable size. You tighten it up here. And it's 900 lumens, runtime 195 seconds or 130 minutes. Distance 125 meters maximum. Intensity 3960 CD max. Impact resistance is the same as all the other ThruNites, 1.5 meters, and it's got the same waterproof, IPX-8, which is about 2 meters. So we'll put it on a gun now and show you what it looks like. Okay, it's good for many different guns, but this is a Springfield XD 9mm. It also works for Glock and anything compatible with the sights here. It does fit on my Walther 22, but with the Walther 22, this distance from here to here is too short, so only half of this goes on. But this goes on most guns. Really easy installation. And to turn it on, you get your index finger and it's right on. Here? You're off. So we're going to do a little shooting with that and the rifle above it, and as soon as it gets dark, we'll show you what this can do. Like with ThruNite's other rechargeable lights, this particular one comes with really cool box, really cool storage box. And it comes with your USB cord, charger cord, and it comes with your extra O-rings, a wrench, a couple extra screws, 2 O-rings, a button cover for the USB. I've never had to replace any of mine, but I've talked to one guy that said he did. We dropped it and accidentally hit right on it, so you replace that. That has to be closed, by the way, if you're going underwater.
This is for a different rail adapter, different size rails.
Different size rail adapter right there. The dimensions are 77 millimeters by 26 millimeters by 32.5 millimeters. The weight, 78 grams, battery excluded. Well, I'm going to show you this. It's the ThruNite BSS-W1. I have reviewed this before and I keep this in my pocket almost all the time. But what's cool about this, we're using it for filming, is magnetic. It's pretty nice. Got the reversible pocket clip on it. You can clip from either side. Which is pretty nice. It's got a place for lanyard. It's magnetic. You got your Firefly. Low, medium, high. Then you got your turbo. Pretty powerful light, but we're using this for filming. Okay, here it is. That's with a headlight on it, but we're going to shut that light off Turn on the gun light. Okay, it's not completely dark out here, but it's pretty dark. So focusing it out at a distance. Focus at the one behind it. Going back, you can see the distance. Now that's just the gun light. It's not completely dark yet. If you look there, you see the aluminum cans. Okay, this is only the light from the gun, the ThruNite gun light. Go for it. There's without the light, with the light. Without, with. It's a pretty bright light. Swing and a miss. Oh, you almost got it. With the light. Without, with. It's pretty bright. With the light. Look at that. How far back that goes. It goes way back there, Robert. Using just the gun light, we'll go check out the targets. Got two different hits and blew out the center of that clay pigeon. So one last look at it on the gun at night. I'll show it to you in the daytime. We get a better view. There will be a link in the details down below if you have a gun and you're looking for a nice light attachment. This is pretty cool. And it's easy to get your finger off the trigger and on that light real quick. And your finger can slide right back onto that trigger. It's a really nice design. There'll also be a link to this light, the one we're using for filming. Little powerhouse.